delicious chicken wings recipe. Let's make it. £1.2 chicken wings, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 5 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of calamansi extract or lemon juice, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, mix well. Marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight. Refrigerate. Set aside. Cooking oil. Add the marinated wings. Cook over low heat for 10 minutes. Keep turning over while cooking. Ten minutes later. Add 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter or margarine. A quarter teaspoon of chicken powder or magic sarap. Continue cooking for another 8 to 10 minutes. Stir occasionally. Add salt and pepper if needed. Continue cooking until sauce thickens. Uncover. Sprinkle with parsley, optional. Done. Bon appetit. Wow, incredibly delicious. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.